Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
How many daughters has she got?
She's got 2 daughters.
How many sisters has he got?
He's got 1 sister.
How many brothers has she got?
She's got 1 brother. How many boxes have they got? They've got many boxes. How many children have they got? They've got 3 children. How many children have they got? They've got 1 child. How many bananas have they got? They've got 3 bananas. How many grandchildren have they got? They've got 2 grandchildren.